Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Like Sass Compiler, import, mixin, extend, and more. Let's start coding. I'm going to use new extension for that subject. That one. Then live Sass, and we see our compiler name, live Sass Compiler, and just click the install. It's installed. Let's close that one and close that one. Let's open our project file. I want to create another folder for that subject. As project. Let's create an index file, index.html. Before creating Sass file, I want to show something. If we look at the bottom of the Visual Studio, we don't see anything regarding Sass extension. But after creating Sass file, we will see that extension icon on there. Style Css and enter. And we can see the icon at bottom side. So what is Sass? Sass is a preprocessor scripting language that is compiled into CSS. So when you type something in our style.css file, it's going to compile all code into a CSS file. And our project file index.html in this case is going to connect it with style CSS. Let's create our HTML content as project and let's save it and then run our server. Let's change our background color. So we just need to assign CSS to our body. I just need to type body and curly brace, background color, let's say dark blue. As you see, we type CSS as we did before. There is nothing changed. Let's save it and have a look at it. I save it. Let's click that icon to make it activate. It is compiling and it's created new to file. Let's have a look at style CSS. You see guys, it's created our CSS itself. Let me associate with our project, link style CSS, and let's save it. You see guys, we changed our background. Sass provides lots of features to use in our project. We will use that features by one by. Let's create a div in our project. Div. Let's assign a class. Main div. H2 Sass project and save it. Let's assign CSS to our main div. You see, we are using exactly the same thing, same method. Color white, display flex, justify content center, and save it. You see guys, we assign CSS to our main div. Let's have a look at CSS file. It's automatically created CSS file for us. Let's start other features of SCSS. I want to create a variable. I just need to use a $sign and variable name. Let's say custom color. Let's say yellow. And save it. Nothing has changed because we haven't used that variable in our project. I just need to assign that variable in our project. I'm just copy and instead of the white, I just put that variable and save it. As you see guys, live Sass extension reflects changes. Let's create another variable. Let's say custom font size 40 pixels and let's add here font size, custom font size and save it. And you see this success message and we see the change on our browser. And we see all CSS files in our style CSS as you know. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. I want to add a button in our project. Button send and save it. We see our button on project. As you remember from our previous tutorials, we were using like this main div, button and calibrate, then let's say background color red and save it. You see it's changed. So you can use the same method in style SCSS too. But there is another way to do that which is more simple than that one. You just need to type here button and calibrate background color white. Let me remove that one and save it. You see guys, same thing. You can change your color whatever you want. Let's add hover effect to our button. Just need to add and sign and colon and hover. Background color white and save it. Let's have a look at it. You see guys, that is the hover effect. If you want, you can use your color variable for that one as well. Just copy and paste and save it. And let's have a look at it. You see, it is yellow now. Let me delete that one. Let's add after. Say content after and save it. You see guys, as you notice, we use double colon for that one. If you want to use hover effect, you should use one column. Let's add it again. When you put another column and save it, it's success, but it doesn't work. You see guys? Just remove and save it and have a look at it. If you want, you can divide your style file. For example, let's create another div here. Div and class second div. Save it. And let's say second div and save it. Let's assign CSS. Background color white, and save it. You see guys? So we added a style to our second div. Let's move that style to another file. Let me create another file. New, underline, second div dot scss. And let's move that one, save it, and paste here, and save it. Nothing has changed because we need to import new file in our project. Let's put here add sign, import second div and semicolon, and save it. You see guys, it's affected. Let's give some height. 100 pixels, font weight, bold, and save it. You see guys, you can divide your CSS file like this if you work on complex files. Using that methodology in our complex projects might be great. Let's start another feature. Mixing. Mixing is such as creating a pattern for our project. Let's create an example. Add sign, mixing. Let's give a name, custom CSS, and let's type some CSS code. Background color purple, font size 40 pixels, font weight bold, and save it. Nothing has changed because we haven't included in our div style. Let's copy that one. Let's add our main div. Include the name of our mixin and save it. You see guys, it's affecting our project straight away. Let's create another div. Custom div. Let's copy that one. Edit here and add our custom CSS. And save it. You see guys, it changed last one and first one. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's have a look at advanced level customization by using mixin. Let's remove that one from here and save it. Let's create another div in our project. Custom second, custom div second, and let's copy that one and add here, and let's copy that one and save. You see, they are using the same background, but I want to use different background for second one, but I want to also use the same custom CSS mixin. I just need to add some other things on our mixin. Color. You can assign any name you want and copy that one and add here. It means whatever color you put here, that's going to be our background color. Let's test it. For example, I want to make that one red and I want that one yellow and save it. You see guys? So we use same things but we just change the color. We can assign more value in our barrack. For example, let's say change font size. The $sign, font size, copy, and let's say I want that one 20 pixels and I want it 50 pixels and save it. You see guys, you can assign custom values to each div. Let's talk about extend. I just need to create another div extend, and save. You can see the extend here. I want to use same style which I used for second div. I just need to extend second div CSS code for our new extend area. Let me copy class name and paste and calibrate, and we just need to extend our second div for extend class. Extend dot second div and save it. You see guys, it is just extended all variables from second div to our new extend class. Let's change something on this side. Let's say width 50 pixels and save it. You see guys, it is effective both of them. Let me remove that one and save it. So you can extend your CSS code in this way. And I want to show one more thing. For example, we extended that style in our project, but I don't want to use same background color in our new div. And I just need to add background color, let's say blue, and save it. You see guys, we extended all other CSS styles from second view div, but I changed background color. So you can change some other values like this. You can use all those options in your project. We will use Sass in our future project. That's all for now. By the way, please let me know what you think about tutorial guys. I value your feedback. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.